Hello and welcome to this video. In a number of past videos, we discussed leaps in the DV 2024 cutoff numbers. We observed that nowadays the fiscal year begins with slow movements in the cutoff numbers, and then after a couple of months, regions begin to experience high increase in their cutoff numbers, which we referred to as leaps. Now, the December visa bulletin is expected to be published anytime from now, but before we move on to discussing its content, today we are going to see whether it is possible for successive leaps to occur in a given region. For example, before the last visa bulletin was published, we saw that the cutoff number for the Africa region was 11,000. And then when that visa bulletin was published, it was revealed to us that the cutoff number for the Africa region had been increased to 22,000. So the question is it possible that after such a leap from 11,000 to 22,000, we see another leap in the Africa region when the upcoming visa bulletin is released? That is what we are discussing in today's video. In the past video, we saw the basis on which leaps occur in the diversity visa program. We said it depends on the report that the visa office receives from the various embassies in the region concerned. If the embassies in the region say to the visa office that they are in the position to interview many cases during a given month, the visa office will make many visas available and move the cutoff number to a high extent in order for many case numbers to become current for those cases concerned to be served by the many visas that have been made available. That's the principle that governs leaps in the various regions in the diversity visa program. So asking whether successive leaps are possible in a given region is like asking if it is possible for the embassies in that region to say to the visa office that they are in the position to interview many diversity visa cases during successive months. So what do you think? Do you think it is possible for the embassies or most of the embassies in a given region to say to the visa office that they are in the position to interview many diversity visa cases during the month of January, for example, and then they say the same thing to the visa office concerning the month of February and possibly the month of March? And the answer to that is yes, it is possible. So applying that to the Africa region, it means that the 11,000 to 22,000 leap that we experienced in the last visa bulletin could immediately be followed by another leap, say from 22,000 to 35,000, for example. And that leap could also be followed by another one from 35,000 to say 45,000, for example. All of that is possible. It only depends on the report that the visa office will receive from the various embassies in the Africa region or any other region for that matter concerning what they are capable of achieving during the upcoming months. Now, it is true that I have been using the Africa region as example, but this doesn't only concern the Africa region. Successive leaps could occur in any other region as well. So that is it. And for those of you who have been concerned about this issue, that's the answer to the question that you have been asking. Now, a reminder that my diversity visa guidance program continues for those of you who are in need of guidance for your diversity visa application. The link to the guidance platform is just below this video. Click on it and take advantage of the guidance program. And that brings our discussion for today to an end. Thanks for watching this video. See you very soon, God willing, in the next one. Goodbye.